Hi, it's me, Jersey Kid All Day, and I felt like singing this song by Algebra. Acapella is called At This Time, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I'm clear my throat. Okay, there you go. At this time, in this place, you are mine. At this moment. In my life, you belong to me, to me. Ooh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, whoa, whoa, yeah, yeah. I don't think it's wrong, I can't help it. I asked my heart if she felt it. I can only ask for so much. I'll only settle for this touch. My arms back to each other about how you feel. From conversations, I know what they feel is real. The past it didn't last, the present went too fast. The future so will be. I wish that far I could see, but in this place, you are mine. At, at this moment in my life, you belong to me. Whoa, 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 yeah. Give me if my hungry complex is what you read. I pray for moments you will only be consumed by me. Oftentimes we receive and then regret. I haven't had a reason yet. This is the time God meant for us to be. This is the place He allowed us to meet. I may never get another chance. I just hope you understand at this time. In this place, you are mine. At this moment in my life, you are mine. At this moment, at this time, at this moment, yeah, yeah, yeah. Thanks. Bye.